everyone, my name is Issy and I'm also known as Issy, and you're watching the Issy Missy Show. Today I'm gonna become the Easter Bunny because I have some Easter Bunny ears and an Easter Bunny picture. Yeah, you can see the real Easter Bunny right here. Today I have 6 eggs. 1 yellow, 1 blue, 1 pink, 1 red, 1 green, and 1 a surprise Kinder Joy egg. We are going to open this in the last part. Okay, so let's see what's in this. What's the surprise in for me and for you guys, because this is a Kinder Joy and eggs that I didn't see what's inside. Okay, now let's start opening the eggs one by one. Starting off with yellow. Yellow, okay, so I have some banana eraser. Yeah. Let's erase. Okay, so here we have our banana eraser. 1 Hershey's candy chocolate. I think I would have this. Okay, moving on to the next egg. Blue color. Ooh, there comes an orange carrot. Okay, here's our orange carrot for our Easter Bunny. Let's read you. Oh, let's read me. Yum! I'm not gonna have the chocolate this time because it's the same one and I just had it. Okay. Now moving on to the next one. It was fun hopping like a bunny on the table. Okay, next on the pink egg. Okay. Awesome! Let's try it out. Ooh, dump truck. Let's try you. Ooh, yippee! I'm dumping. Yucky people. Yippee! I hope it's not gonna dump me. You ready? To a red color. I like red. It's my favorite. One of my favorites. Okay. Oh, cool. And this one's there too. No, this is a big one. Oh, there's no chip. Just a tad. It's just a sticker. Let's put that sticker on. Moving on to our green egg. What could it be? No chip again. I was hoping for a chip again, but no chip. Yellow ducky, yellow egg. And I don't even like the white chocolate. The Kinder Joy, the boy one. I like boy. Here's a spoon for eating. Let's try it out. Oh. Oh, I remember this thing. It's a rocket. So these are the flames that are gonna get cool. Oh, it's a water shooter. You can see this little hole. like, see these little holes? Like, then you fill it up with that. Then it's like, then you shoot on it. Yeah, it's a Jones Pitchkari. Okay guys, so I'm finally done with my eggs, and so then I got some toys, some erasers, some candies, and a few punishments as well. Okay, so that was what I got today, and don't forget to subscribe to the Issy Missy Show. Bye and happy Easter, everyone. My name is Issy, and I'm also known as Issy, and you're watching the Issy Missy Show. Today I have something that matches this. Sofia, the first minifigures. Now let's put the thing on. And I have 3 Sofias and 1 Amber. Your stepsister, bad lady. I'm gonna hit you. Yeah. So I think we better get going. Okay, so we're starting on with the normal and usual Sofia. But usually when there's a party or something, she wears this gown. So this is the normal Sofia. Okay, so this is the normal Sofia, and she's purple in color. She has a different crown from Amber. You can see that there. So next up, I'm going to open the pink color Sofia. She's the second main because she's same but only pink in color dress. Okay, so this is our pink Sofia. As you can see, this was our purple one, this is our pink one. They both look the same, only dress color is different. Crowns are same as well. So she wears the pink one when only when something special is happening. But for school, she wears the same purple one. No any trip. Pink. So let's move on to our Amber, her older step sister. As you can so I'm all done. So Amber. Okay, so Amber is wearing a yellow colored gown, and it's usually green, but they showed a yellow over here. Never mind. Ooh, her hair is pretty movable. You're like, oh wow, I'm looking back. My hair is backward. Wow, that's cool. I like that. Okay, so Amber wears a exactly different tiara from Sofia. Now we have the flying derby Sofia. So here we have the flying derby Sofia, by the way. And here we have flying derby happening right here with Minimus. Okay, here we have now we have flying derby Miss Princess Sofia. Usually the boys do flying derby, but it's okay if Sofia joins it. There were no girls in the flying derby team when she joined, but she liked it so much she joined it. Anyway, just like you go giant ice dancing. So here's our Sofia in her flying derby costume. Okay, let's make her sit. Okay, so here's our flying derby Sofia. And that was all that I got today. My favorites were the pink Sofia and the flying derby Sofia. Yeah, oh, that was cool in one go. Okay, so that was all that we got today, and I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe to the Issy Show. My name is Issy, and I'm also known as Issy, and you're watching the Missy Show. Today, I have some easy or difficult guess for you guys. Can you guess what I'm opening today? I'm wearing it as well. That's right. All wrong, it's right. It's frozen toddlers or minis. So I'm starting with Elsa. Okay, so here we have Elsa. She has a little tiara as she's a princess. Well, Anna's also one, but she doesn't have it. Never mind. But there we go. Here's toddler friend Elsa. Our friend Elsa, toddler Elsa. Never mind. Okay, next up we have Princess Anna. This is toddler Anna Frozen Fever. Here we have Princess Anna. She's wearing a yellow ribbon at the back. And then she has a nice summer design on her dress or skirt, whatever it is. And then she has a little necklace over here. So bigger than me. Sorry, you're wearing the. Oh, you're wearing the winter one. I'm wearing the summer one. If you had your summer one, you'd look the same. Oh yeah. Sorry. There. Okay, next up we're gonna open Olaf. Mini Olaf when he was young. When Elsa created them. When Elsa created Olaf when he was young. Okay, here we have Mini Olaf. Hi guys, I'm Olaf and I love warm hugs. Let's give Olaf a tight warm hug. Yay, I'm getting a warm hug for the first time. And he has 3 buttons. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's keep all of that now and open our last character, Mini Swen. Okay, and last but not least, here we have Squid. So I guess we're and Kristoff are best friends. But first, so he has some twig ears. His head can go around and around because of his bracelet, necklace, or whatever it is. He's covered in all brown fur, and he has black feet and hands. So now let's place him next to Olaf. Hey Olaf, how are you doing? Hey, can I have your hands? No! I'm coming now! Hey, not a bad day at all. Hey, give that back. There you go. And Elsa's sisters. And I know sisters. Hey, Anna, can we go find Olaf and they must be around the castle somewhere. Good idea. Olaf's way younger than us. Anna, he's only 1 year. No, is he not? Well, let's go and ask him. Okay. Hey, Olaf. Oh, he's a double agent. No, I'm not 6. I'm only... Oh boy, I'm 3. Let's go and play. Good idea. So, these were the toddler frozen minifigures for babies. Well, let's get playing, I guess so. Okay, so I really liked Elsa and Olaf. Those are my favorite guys in the movie as well. And I love Frozen just because of Elsa. So, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the Issy Missy Show. Bye. Hi everyone. My name is Issy and I'm also known as Issy. And you're watching the Issy Missy Show. Today I'm gonna open diecast. Let's open them up. So here we have 4 vehicles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can move them back, you can move them forward, to that side. Okay. So here we have a blue colored car. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels. Roll it again. Next up, we have this green and white one. Okay, so it's white and green. It has a sunroof with few windows. It looks like buttons. Okay, so let's count how many windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 windows. Wow! Here we have a taxi, a yellow colored taxi. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 windows. Hey, I'm 6 years old and 6 windows. Cool. Okay. So here we have a double-decker bus. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 windows! Wow! I'll send you guys a video once I go on a double-decker bus again. Now let's have a race with the van and double-decker bus. And one for both. Now let's try with the taxi and car. I bet the car will race because they know racing taxis. Of course there are race cars. And he thinks they know racing taxis that he'll easily win in snow. Slow motion. No. And he wanted to fall down to win. Oh, don't be sad. And the judges will say, oh, sorry. We will make you be the winner. What, does he think that? No. Well, the judge doesn't say that, so the double-decker busters, the taxis, the winner! Yippee! And that your prize is to sit on the top and get a ride with me. So that was the end of our video, guys. So bye, and don't forget to subscribe to the Missy Show. Bye. Hi everyone. My name is Issy and I'm also known as Issy. And you're watching the Missy Show. And today I'm gonna open Frozen Hearts. Yay! So here I have 4 Frozen Hearts. How do you know they're frozen? It's wrapped up right here. So these are dark blue eggs and the label comes in a blue heart, just like Frozen is blue. Now, my favorite character of Frozen is Elsa and Olaf. Since Olaf's a snowman, he can talk and walk. And he's pretty funny. And Elsa is all blue. She has magical powers of ice and snow. The boys might like Kristoff and Hans and Sven and Olaf because they are all boys. Don't like Hans, he's a baddie. Now, let's move on to our first heart. Oops, what's my mind in eggs today? Okay, don't hear Elsa, don't hear Elsa. So, Elsa's the older one and Anna's the younger one. Okay. Inside they have a little other heart as a decoration. So here you have a frozen magnet. Frozen magnet. Here you have a frozen magnet. Here you have a frozen eraser. It's green in color and it has frozen written on it. Usually it's plain, but today it's written frozen. Here we have 3 blue frozen candies. Let me gobble them up later. Here we have some frozen stickers. One with Anna and Hans and one with Elsa and Anna. Hey, let me take the Elsa and Anna one before anybody else takes it. So here we have a frozen blue band that I can wear. There. And it's gonna be hard to take it off. And here we have a little ring. I don't think I can wear this. It's much too small for any one of my fingers, just on the top of my lady finger. Okay, moving on to our next egg. Hey, this time we'll go this side. Moving on to our next egg. Got one of these. Here we have a pair of frozen clips. And here we have two candies. Here we have stickers of Elsa and Anna. And here we have another frozen magnet. It's with Kristoff, Anna, and Olaf. Well, Elsa was in her ice palace this time. I've seen the moon. All the girls should see it as well. But so should the boys. Some fun paths for them. Okay. So we got the same stickers as on the first one. Which one should I take now? Probably a different one. Okay, we have the same magnet. Okay, so then here we have frozen blue colored candies, light blue, an Anna ring. Okay, let me get the Elsa one. Run, open, you go, ice powers on. Here we have another eraser which has frozen written on it, yellow in color. And these are our final and last frozen egg. Man, yuck. Okay, here we have Elsa's Let It Go song from the movie Frozen. I can sing it later. I just feel like looking at this for some time. Oh, here we have a ring that can fit me. Here we have the sticker of Elsa and Anna, Elsa and Anna. Okay, this time let's put Anna. Both sisters and both the stickers, all of the stickers. I'm gonna put on the other ones as well. Let's put them on. Both of these candies dancing in their D's and Z's. Whoa, 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 whoa. Frozen, frozen, I love Frozen. Hey, it looks like they were doing a double Frozen. Haha, very funny. So that was the ending. Bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe. The